Okay, so if you own a gun, there's like a 99% chance that you train with it. And we all know why. Is that you can take the errors that you make with it and make those less frequent and ideally non-existent. Things like forgetting to chamber your gun. Of which you can actually use to create a malfunction drill. Things like dropping a magazine during a reload. Or forgetting the magazine so you can do a reload. Forgot the other mag. Point being, we train with our firearms to make ourselves better and to take even the little mistakes that we make and refine them and make ourselves better shooters. Have a nice day, y'all.